To do this, follow this tutorial. To make an object move in your level, you select the object, press Ctrl T together, and then choose func_fizzbox. You then click apply, and that will make the object move around as if it's got physics. You can change all the options, you can change the material type so it makes different sounds when it hits things. You can change the strength of it so it will get destroyed after a certain amount of damage. You can set its health level to override motion and physics impact, so you'll have to walk into it to enable motion if you put a value in here. And you'll have to shoot it a couple of times before it will move. You then click apply, and you've got a moving object in your level.